The word imbalance implies that if you're in balance, if you are in balance, then your happy chemicals flow all the time and you're happy effortlessly. The word imbalance also implies that if your happy chemicals don't flow all the time, then you have a disorder and you need to be fixed by an external source. So the reality is that the happy chemicals are only turned on in specific situations and then they turn off. So they're always going on and off, on and off. If they were on all the time, it would not promote survival. They evolved to meet specific survival needs, to motivate specific survival behaviors, and you would not be better off if you were having them all the time. So the word imbalance is saying it's not your fault, it's a disorder, which disempowers people and tells you there's nothing you can do about it, which is unhelpful. It also gives you the illusion that other people are getting them effortlessly all the time and you're somehow left out, which is so not true. Nobody is getting them effortlessly all the time. Everyone is making trade-offs and taking chances to take those actions toward opportunities to meet survival needs, to stimulate the chemicals, or not doing that and then depriving themselves of happy chemicals.